Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. So today's video is a continuation of my to be continued video that I put out a couple days ago. So I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop and take you along for the process. So today we'll be finishing up the guest room and then we'll be going to Eleni's room. So I'm giving you guys a lot of decluttering and organizing motivation. So I hope you guys enjoy.
I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes.
So this dresser was actually in our master bedroom, so we are actually passing it over to Eleni to use for some extra clothes storage. We actually painted this white because it was passed down through the family, so it was actually brown and we painted it white. So we're definitely going to try to keep making use of this dresser.
Love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down.
So since we finished decluttering and organizing this space, we're going to go ahead and tackle Eleni's room.
Down, baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high.
If you are enjoying this decluttering and organizing video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post all things organization, cleaning, laundry motivation, any type of motivation you need to get things done. I am your girl and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family here.
No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I don't think we got enough.
I did mention in my apartment tour, so if you haven't seen that video, I would love for you to check that video out after you watch this one. But we are turning Eleni's closet into a nook/closet, so we're excited about putting that together. So we are decluttering a lot of her toys, and you'll see us putting that in the bag, which is very satisfying. So don't click off yet. Still got a little bit more motivation to give you.
Afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that.
So now I'm about to tackle her miscellaneous items that were just stuck at the top of the closet. Nothing really to go through because I actually just did this. I decluttered her closet not too long ago. So I'm just putting these items in boxes, and then we'll finish up.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the...
Looking back, when I edit this video, I felt like this part was so satisfying, especially sped up. So let me know in the comments below if you felt the same way.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you, the way you look, the way you are.
Also want to check in to see how you guys are doing. I want to thank you guys for all the love and support and the comments you guys give me on each video. So just let me know how you're doing in the comments below. I would love to chat.
Take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
So you guys will be watching this on Sunday, which means that we've already finished and moved everything into the apartment. So once again, I'm excited to give you guys more content. So some of the newer videos that'll be coming out soon will be my pantry organization video, Eleni's Nook makeover, and then also Eleni's room transformation. So definitely stay tuned for those videos because I'm super excited to be giving them to you guys.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
So this is what the room looks like now. I did make her bed just so it'll look a little put together. So we have toys right here, and we need to take our lamp, but their toys are just there for the week, for her to get through the week before we move officially next weekend. You guys saw me taking out all the decor. Still need to get all of her clothes out of this drawer, and I'll do another video for that. And then we have all of these clothes, need to wash her clothes, and then the shoes. I'm excited to get rid of this thing, and I definitely want to do a shoe rack, and I'm excited about that. And then this desk we're just going to try to sell or give away, just because I feel like she's definitely made her use of it the last couple of years. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter, organize, and pack with me video. We definitely feel like we got a lot accomplished. I hope it motivates you to get something done today, if that's just to simply make your bed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. Should work it out, you know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should